Hey, grab a pen and paper real quick. I want to show you a 3-step intro to the 25 movement massage system that's working remarkably to get results rapidly, so you can help more people and expand your knowledge. I'll wait a sec so you can grab a pen. So imagine this scenario. What if you were suddenly identified as a massage expert and authority in your town? What if your clinic was booked out weeks in advance, week after week, regardless of your price? What if you knew how to help those clients that have been everywhere else get the results that help them become pain-free at last? Sound like a stretch? I used to think so too, until it happened to me. I know exactly how you feel. I felt the same way until I found these unusual release methods that get the soft and deep tissue releases your clients need. I'm about to show you right now on this video presentation that I've shared and used with thousands of others, along with many more methods and techniques. I've also used the exact same thing I'm about to show you right now on this video presentation that I've shared and used with thousands of others in the clinic, along with many more methods and techniques. To become the highest paid remedial massage practitioner bodyworker in my town by helping those who have been everywhere else with techniques and methods that actually work, adding on to the skills and foundations that you already possess. The thing that got me there is this, the Payne Relief Method, right? From setting up the massage college the home of the Payne Relief Method, to working on the elites like the Lions, Sam and Lee, to Dick Johnson, Pat Rafter, 3-time world champion karate opens, to the Austrian triathlete, the Mexican triathlete team, all the way down to your mums and dads and your local sports stars, and helping out with the local soccer teams and swimming team, the Ironman and the Kellogg's Ironman, to a very successful practice in Mooloolaba over the past 7 years, where we've established a great following, to then speaking in front of thousands of people. Everybody knows that massage work, right? If you do them right. And in order to do them right, you need to follow a proven method. In fact, if you're using massage now and you're not getting the results you want, it probably has nothing to do with the way that you were taught. It has nothing to do with how fancy it is, or how cool the special room looks, or the smell of the oil, whether it's doTERRA, or Young Living, or the fancy concoction that you made, or like what I started out with, grapeseed oil. Apparently, it doesn't stain the towels. I'm telling you what. Or what kind of equipment you use, or how much you rub that knot. Because at the end of the day, it's not how your clinic looks, or even what you try to do. It is out, you need to put it back in. If it is out, you need to put it back in. That's right. Simple arithmetic, which I'll explain in the presentation you're about to watch. A jump on your foot, your mouth opens. It's all how you treat it. And there are methods for treating it right. All right, here it is. Step 1, cause and effect. Your clients will tell you the pain is here, there, or bombard you with distractions more than ever. My mum this, my dad, my wife, my sister, my daughter, everything from those things to, my rolled ankle or my busted knee. I think it's from here. I did this. We've heard it all, right? Find the key to unlock it. So while they give you all that information, you're interpreting it and asking more and more questions, eliciting it all out, which then will give you the safe combination if it needs be that it's coming from psychology, the physical, or even the spiritual. But more on that later. In the initial part of the treatment, you have to work out the contraindications, and you have to tell them you have found them, and you need to put mental red flags on their body for yourself. A great way to help their issue and get their attention once on the table is to control their focus. Yeah, and a great way to change someone's focus is to ask them a question. Why? Because it's pretty much impossible for the brain to ignore. And it sets you up for part 2 of the method, the result. They also need and want to benefit from receiving your treatments. Truly, why else would they be there? To feel good? Sure. But if you're a specialist massage therapist, they're going to want to get more from it. Generally, they come in with a problem or an issue. Now, the trick is to write or star in or narrate questions about them. Simple tips. Talk more about them than you. The amount of times I've gone in to get a treatment and the therapist just bangs on about their stuff, well, talk more about their desired outcome than your stuff. Your treatment should ultimately be about them and their, well, actual desired outcome. Yeah. Share an analogy with them, what their desired outcome looks like. I actually share a few in the presentation that you can use in your clinic and with your clients. Then instruct them on how you're going to get them there. That's the reassurance for the client. Then it's time for step 3, giving the treatment. Every treatment should have a purpose, an intent. I'm telling you, this is it. This is the golden secret, if you will, for the massage. It's intent. It's all your intentions. Their intent, your intent, both of your intentions combined on the desired outcome. And this is to make the client feel safe and secure, to give you the aim and the goal for the client through the treatment, and to give the best treatment they've ever received. I mean, what an intent to give that energy and to give that intent to the treatment, which also could get you a referral. I say that's the best compliment we can receive, right? Whatever it is, ask for it with your intentions, internally, or even say it black and white to them. Give a beneficial treatment. Why? And a good reason why? Now, this is the same step formula that has helped me treat over 1,000 people in clinic every year. And now that you know a vital part of what to do, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. The Payne Relief Method. 25 movement system that can be learned in 40 hours with online videos. With the all access package, you get the 3-day live workshop, the one-on-one coaching, if available, from sciatic release videos to rolled ankles, dicky knees, tight hamstrings, twisted pelvises, all the way through to frozen shoulders, pinched wrists, locked elbows, tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, TMJ, right through. I mean, we jump on your foot, your mouth opens, as I said before, to how to release the traps and the rhomboids, the radial nerves, a higher result ratio with this method. I'm telling you, better responses and faster releases, better and fuller Dory, which equals more money. This one payment of $7, yep, $7 for this presentation, that's all. I started doing treatments in 2002. By 2006, I created multiple methods and releases from massage education all the way to one-on-one training. Up to that point, I struggled to understand massage and what I was actually doing until it became obvious. Just going through the motions, not thinking outside the box and seeing it for what it actually is. But in late 2006, I began to truly understand the techniques. I'd known all along and started the journey in development and being able to teach the methods that are now known as the Payne Relief Method. And the videos follow the same formula I'm giving to you in this presentation. The first big chance people had to learn was at a live event where I was sharing the very advanced and very specialized massage techniques. Tickets for the event were thousands per person for the whole Woodford, which was more than anything I'd ever seen offered at the time for what I was about to share. It was amazing. Thousands of people everywhere. Even though I'd never sold anything like it before, and even though I'd never been on stage to share this before, I decided to take a gamble. I decided to use nothing but the people from the audience and let them come up randomly to show how quick the methods actually work at the seminar. Just anyone, come on up, come on up, come on up. What do you got? What do you got? And you'll see in the video there's some really, really challenges, to say the least. The result? Well, several people with remarkable results and 2 new students with many more wanting to learn. Then I offered again 6 months later online, and again, I used the same demonstration, simple to learn approach with a seated massage business. This time I created thousands of followers and leads wanting to know more about the Massage College, the online masterclass, in 45 minutes. That's a total of 90 minutes of massage techniques, leading to an online education that will help you and your clients get results rapidly. I've gone on to use the exact method to book 52 clients in 1 week to being booked out 4 to 5 weeks in advance. I don't recommend doing the 52 clients. That was a 36-day straight with one seminar in there that I worked. I just wanted to see if I could do it, really. And it led to the 4 to 5 weeks being booked out because of the intention and the techniques and methods. And now I'm giving it to you. But it gets better. $7 risk. You love it or you keep it for a cup of joe. Price is normally $97, but you can have it today for just one payment of $7. Claim your presentation of the Payne Relief Method now and save over $90. With the discount and the love it or keep it guarantee, you cannot lose. Click the button below and get started today. Enjoy the life.